Hello everyone, I'm Sonic. Well, the channel owner plans to learn more languages thanks to CapCut dubbing with artificial intelligence, but this will be in another series and it won't be this one, because my series is about to end. Gregar, give us more information.
Well, in the new series that Ali Quintana is planning about the new adventures, although he did not give a character to select as the protagonist, it will be in several languages compared to this one, since the AI of CapCut will translate the texts of the new series, as long as the episode does not last more than 5 minutes. Well, the original language will be Spanish, just like the series The World of Sonic, and it will be translated, for example, into other languages: English, French, Italian, Russian, German, and Swedish.
Well, in total, the new series would have 7 languages, as the channel owner would learn 6 languages, although they already know words in English and Russian. In those 2 languages, the channel owner needs to perfect them, and also Ali Quintana will start learning German, French, Italian, and Swedish. In total, the channel owner would speak 7 languages.
Of course, Sonic. Well, if he wants to put the title and description of the video in most of those languages, he will need Google Translator, since I don't think he masters them well, so Google Translator can help him.
That's right, Gregar. Well, until another video,